This demo today is going to be on making straight lines. So we are going to get to doing proportions of the face, but we need to practice the skill of doing some straight lines. So what you need to find is what is your best method for making straight lines. What I don't want you to do is kind of inch that way. That gives you this furry kind of edgy line. What we're going to practice doing is creating some straight lines. So you can hold your pencil, the normal way if you wish. You can hold it kind of upside down with your thumb on the top, and this is called a torch style. You have to find your way. Give it some experimentation. So I'm going to practice just doing a straight line and see which method you like. I actually prefer straight lines with holding it like a pencil and practicing just kind of going parallel. And you need to warm up. It's like sports. You can't just sit down and perform off the bench. So now I'm getting a little stronger and I'm doing some diagonals there. I'm getting them rather straight without a ruler. So then just go ahead and change direction. See if you like to go horizontal across your paper. Do you like to go from the top down? So when I go top down, I end up flipping my hand over the other direction and I pull this way. But what I want you to notice also is that my wrist is more or less locked in whatever gesture I'm doing. I am not, doing this wrist kind of movement going down that way. That gives you that, that not so good edge, or if you try to turn your wrist, it's going to curve and you're not going to get a nice straight line. So lock your wrist, pull it down, maybe try from the bottom and go up and see what you can do. What I want you to do for this actual assignment is you're going to fill a page with different straight lines, and you are experimenting with how straight you can get them. Try slow and try fast. Figure out what's your method. But use your whole arm. Get your elbow and your shoulder to move. Try standing up, try sitting down, and see what works for you. After you feel like you've warmed up and you're getting some pretty straight lines, then start to do things like make a dot here, make a dot there. Are you able to aim and have that muscle memory to connect those dots? So maybe I'm going to start here. I'm actually going to keep my eyes where I'm headed so that my hand can follow in that direction. I missed. I need to warm up. Make another dot, and you can even just go from the other point, pulling across that way. I have those 2 points. And make another one. That one was closer. And let's get those lines connecting. So go ahead now and fill up a whole page with your lines. You can consider yourself finished when your page is as full as this. Enjoy!